And again, you can adjust the style of the report similar as we did it with Polyline. To calculate surface area for complex zones, better sometimes to generate mesh from these contours. To generate simple mesh for each contour, you can use this script, just run it, and select Polyline 2D mesh tool. So script will generate for you simple meshes for each contours. This method can be useful if you need to extract from this surface some areas. So you can draw extra polyline here, close it. And if you select this mesh and these two lines, you can use standard tool, the cut mesh. Just click preview, you will see how this mesh will be cut based on this line. After this cutting, the name of the mesh can be changed. If you want to assign the same name as a contour, as a polyline contour, then you can select these two objects, mesh and contour, run the script and choose option mixed mesh name according to polyline. Also, script will ask you if you would like to add point with the name of the mesh. So you can repeat it for all other elements. These points you can manually place in any position. And next, if you would like to extract the surface area for all of these meshes, you can select them, run this script, and select Cloud Mesh Area Surface. It will generate labels similar to the polyline surface area. And in the report page, you can see that there is a new page, a new chapter already generated, and these tables and summary reports already generated. So you can just drag and drop this table and this summary into the relevant dashboards, into relevant tabs, adjust the orientation, adjust the style, and adjust the view. So for example, I will save this view. And again, you can adjust the style of the report similar as we did it with Polyline.